Hi guys, so today I'm going to be reviewing another Camille Rose product because I just always see their products, how good their products are, because the products are kind of pricey, so I just decided to let me just try them out. Maybe they are like worth the money. So today I'm going to be doing the herbal tea one. It's like an oil. It says it seals and softens, and it's a part of their leave-in collection. We will be going over the same things that I usually go over in my other videos when I review products, just overall, so you can get the gist of like how it affects me, how it affects your wallet, your hair, and everything. First off, so what it says that it does, it's a leave-in. It says use as a leave-in on freshly conditioned hair, then style as desired. Herbal infused oil brewed for softness. So this particular oil, it's to make your hair soft. To me, it just made my hair extremely greasy, like dripping grease. Like I couldn't even touch it because it was so greasy, and I don't like that. Like I like my hair to be touchable. Like I like to be able to touch my hair and like not have stuff like product on my hands. So that was one thing where I didn't like. And to me, it didn't make it soft. It just made it like stringy. The cost also is pretty expensive. It's $13.99 for this little bottle. You don't really need a lot. It's oil, so you just use it as like you use the regular oil. Use a little bit. That's why it's still like a lot in here, and I use it like all over my head. So you don't have to use that much. So the bottle will probably last you for a while if you use it like every day. So it's probably like a good bang for your buck. The smell, I'm not really too fond of the smell. It doesn't stink. It's just like I personally don't like it. Like I wouldn't want to walk around smelling like this. It's not a smell that I enjoy smelling like. It doesn't stink. It's not an appealing smell to me for myself, like my preference. I love this packaging. It's like super cute packaging. It's like in these little tiny bottles. It's really cute. I like it. It like pops out, makes you want to like buy it or pick it up. Catches the eye. Ingredients are amazing. It's all natural ingredients. I know what these ingredients are. If I'm just I don't need to Google what this. So that's one plus side. Like these ingredients are all natural. In the long run, that probably is a lot better for your hair, even though it doesn't really affect my hair like I like it to. It does. It's a really good like product. Like the ingredients are really good for your hair. I would not buy this product again because of the pricing and how greasy it does leave my hair. I personally wouldn't buy it again, but you can try it for yourself and see if you like it. It's up to you, but that's just my take on it. If you have tried this, let me know what you think about it. Put it in the comment section. Would love to hear what you have to say. Okay.